Dear student, in this video lecture, we are going to study a very important law, that is Ohm's law. First and perhaps most important relationship between voltage, current and resistance is given by Ohm's law, discovered by George Simmons Ohms in 1827. Ohm's law states that current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points, provided the temperature of the conductor does not change. It is given by V by I equal to constant, or V by I equal to R, where V is voltage, I is current and R is resistance. We can also say that current flow in a circuit is proportional to voltage V and inversely proportional to the resistance R. So we can write it I is equal to V by R. Students, some point we have to remember for Ohm's law. That is, first one is Ohm's law is true for metal conductor at constant temperature. If temperature changes, Ohm's law not applicable. Second is Ohm's law is true for DC circuit. However, it is not in general valid for AC circuit. Third one is, if voltage is increased, the current will increase provided the resistance R of a circuit does not change. Ohm's law can be expressed in three forms, like if you draw a triangle like this. Consider this is V, this is I, this is R. So we can write V is equal to what? I into R, IR. R equal to V by I, and I is equal to V by R. Like first equation is I is equal to V by R, second is V is equal to IR, and third is R is equal to V by I. For example, consider this circuit. This is the voltage, resistance plus minus. This is battery or a voltage. This is resistance R, and this will be a current direction. If V is given as a 12 volt, R equal to 3 volt, so what is I? So by this equation, I is equal to V by R. So here V is 12 volt, R is 3 ohms, equal to 12 by 3 is 4 ampere. Similarly, in example second, same circuit we are going to see voltage, resistance, this is R, this is V, and current is flow in this direction. This is I. If voltage is 36 volt, current is 4 ampere, what is the resistance? So by the equation R equal to V by I, voltage is 36 volt divided by I is 4 ampere. So resistance is 36 divided by 4 is 9 ohms. Similarly, in the example of third condition, example 3, same circuit we are going to study. This is voltage, resistance, current direction, I given by 2 ampere, resistance is given by 7 ohms, and we have to find a voltage. So by the Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. So what is I? I is 2 ampere into resistance is 7 ohms. So voltage is 12 volt. So by the equations of Ohm's law, if two values are given, we can find the third value in the DC circuit.